On platforms like WhatsApp and Telegram, a fabricated screenshot or a rumor can hit millions of devices in a fraction of a second. Meanwhile, human journalists and fact-checkers have to manually scrape sources, evaluate credibility, and write reports. That process takes hours or even days, leaving a massive window for the lie to become accepted reality. Existing automated tools try to close this gap, but they usually just stamp a binary true or false label on a post. Users ignore them because there's no transparent reasoning attached to the verdict. Built for the Kaggle and Google AI agents Capstone, TruthLens takes a different approach. Instead of a single black box AI, it deploys an entire simulated newsroom of specialized agents working together. Looking at this interface, the verification hub is built for accessibility. A user simply selects their platform, like WhatsApp or LinkedIn, and pastes their claim or uploads an image right into this input field. Effectively fighting digital misinformation requires a system that pairs the raw speed of automation with the step-by-step transparency of human journalism. Let's see what happens when a user uploads a suspicious forwarded chat screenshot to test the system live. Hitting Submit triggers a linear ADK 2.0 workflow, orchestrating 7 distinct AI agents. The first stop, the ingestion agent, uses Gemini Vision OCR to lift raw text from the screenshot. Next, the claim extractor strips emotional filler, isolating up to 3 verifiable facts. To verify those facts, the system uses this Model Context Protocol, or MCP, server. Think of it as a secure bridge that allows our agents to reach out and query external real-time databases and search engines. By forcing the agents to use these exact MCP tools sequentially, the system guarantees that conclusions are drawn from grounded, cited evidence, rather than the AI simply hallucinating an answer. In the final stages of the pipeline, downstream agents retrieve live web evidence, score the reputation of the cited domains, and scan the original text for sensationalism and logical fallacies. All of those findings flow into the verdict engine. It cross-references the extracted claims against the evidence scores to generate a highly detailed, fully cited markdown report. The report visualizes these findings using glowing verdict banners, green for true, red for false, and a heat map table that ranks the safety and reliability of every source the AI consulted. But viral rumors often get submitted thousands of times. If a second user submits that exact same claim, the system's smart session memory takes over, hashing the query and instantly pulling a cached report without even waking up the language model. You can see the impact of that memory cache right here on the registry interface. By checking this local database, a complex multi-agent investigation that normally takes 15 seconds is reduced to about 0.05 of a second. That sub-second retrieval speed means TruthLens can scale to handle enterprise-level traffic without burning through costly API limits. Beyond the user interface, the back-end engineering is heavily fortified with strict security gatekeeping to prevent abuse. This documentation highlights our evaluation suite. The system passed 22 tests, blocking malicious prompts and restricted network requests. We also implemented an auto-retry configuration. If the pipeline hits traffic limits, agents automatically back off and self-heal, ensuring the workflow completes. TruthLens is also fully programmable. As this developer view shows, you can use a Python client to integrate the fact-checking engine directly into your own Telegram bots or browser extensions in less than 5 lines of code. Looking at the deployment instructions here, the entire repository is containerized using Docker, making it instantly ready for scalable hosting on platforms like Google Cloud Run. The interactive demo is currently live on Hugging Face Spaces, and the full source code is available on GitHub for anyone wanting to deploy their own instance. By combining the orchestration of Google's ADK 2.0 with an intuitive, transparent design, TruthLens offers a robust defense against digital misinformation, catching the lie exactly where it spreads.